So students, let us see one more sum. Okay, let us see one more very important pattern. So if the roots of the equation, if the roots of the equation a square plus b square x square minus 2 into ac plus bd, a square plus b square into x square minus 2 into ac plus bd x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal. Prove that a by b is equal to c by a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, so we have to prove that if the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2 into ac plus bd x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal. Okay, then we have to prove that a by b is equal to c by d. Okay, so let us see this sum. Okay, so let us see the proof. Okay, so here a is equal to a square plus b square, b is equal to minus 2 into ac plus bd, and c is equal to c square plus d square. Okay students, isn't it? So now since the roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac will become equal to what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, isn't it? Now what is the value of b, students? What is the value of b? Minus 2 into ac plus bd. So value of b, isn't it? Value of b is minus 2 into ac plus bd. B square minus 4ac, 4 into a. What is the value of a? A square plus b square. And what is the value of c? C square plus d square. Yes, okay. So this will become 4 ac plus bd whole square minus 4 into a square. See, distributive property will multiply by distributive property. Okay. So a square into c square. A square c square. A square into d square. A square d square plus b square into c square. B square c square plus b square into d square. D square. So let us see a square into c square, a square c square, a square into d square, a square d square, b square into c square, b square c square, b square into d square, b square d square. Okay. So now this will be equal to 0 and this is also, this will be equal to 0 and this also will be equal to 0, isn't it? Now what we will do, students, here will here a plus b whole square formula will take. Okay, so this will be a square plus 2 into a into b plus square plus 2 into a into b plus b square minus 4 a square c square. So if I open this bracket now, minus 4 a square c square minus 4 a square b square minus 4 b square c square minus 4 a square c square minus 4 a square b square minus 4 b square c square minus 4 b square b square. Okay, so equal to 0. Okay, so now with 4 I am multiplying. 4 a square c square 4 to the 8 ac bb or okay plus 4 b square minus 4 a square c square minus 4 a square b square minus 4 b square c square minus 4 b square equal to 0. So 4 b square is cancelled, and 4 square c square is cancelled. Then what will happen, students? Minus 4 a square b square plus 8 a A by B, C by. Okay, students. Okay. So let us see the explanation. Okay, the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2 into ac plus b dx plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal. It is given to us. Okay. So we have to prove that a by b is equal to c by d. So let us prove that. Here a is equal to, what is the value of a? Along with x square, our form is that main form of quadratic, standard form of quadratic is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, isn't it? So whatever is the coefficient of x square, whatever is the coefficient of x square is a. The coefficient of x square is what here? A square plus b square. So a is equal to a square plus b square. What is the coefficient of x? B. So what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 2 into ac plus bd. And what is c? C is the last term, c square plus d square. So since the roots are equal, what happens? What is the value of the discriminant when the roots are equal, as I explained in the previous classes? So b square minus 4ac will become equal to what? 0, isn't it? So what is the value of b, students? What is the value of B? The value of B is minus 2 into AC plus BD, isn't it? Minus 2 into AC plus BD. In place of B, in place of this B, what this B is there, no? I wrote here, no, B square. B square I wrote. So in place of this B, you will just write minus 2 into AC plus BD, isn't it? Value of B is this one. So minus 2 into AC plus BD whole square. B square is there, so this one will become square. Minus 4 into A. What is the value of A? A square plus B square. Into C. What is the value of C? C square plus B square. Now this one is square it. Minus 2 square will become what? 4 into AC plus BD whole square. Minus 4 into A square. C. This bracket and this bracket will multiply. A square into C square. See very carefully. A square into C square is what? A square C square. Okay. A square. This A square is there, no? This A square into C square. See here. This A square into C square will become A square C square plus A square into D square will become A square D square plus B square into C square will become B square C square and plus B square into D square will become B square D square. Directly I am multiplying, otherwise it will become even bigger. Okay, see, A square into C square C square. After that plus sign is there, write a plus. A square into D square is what? A square D square. After that plus B, no? B square into C square is what? B square C square. After that plus sign. B square into D square is what? B square D square. Isn't it? Now 4. This one I am breaking. A plus B whole square formula. Okay, this is what you see. A plus B whole square formula. So it's called A plus B whole square. 4 will stay outside. See here. This 4 is here. No, this 4 will stay outside. This one I am talking about. Okay, this 4 will stay outside and A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square, isn't it? So this is A. What is A here? What is A here? AC. So AC square plus 2 into AC into BD plus BD square. Here B means what? BD, isn't it? So BD square. And this one with minus 4 I am multiplying all these terms. With minus 4 if I multiply all the terms, then all the terms here positive, no? A square C square, A square D square, all are positive. All will become negative and minus 4 will be multiplied with all. Okay? So minus 4 into A square C square will become minus 4 A square C square. Minus 4 into A square D square will become minus 4 A square D square. Like that, minus 4 into B square C square will become minus 4 B square C square. And minus 4 into B square D square will become minus 4 B square B square. Okay? So now with 4 I am multiplying inside. Okay? This A square, this AC square, AC whole square will become what? A square C square. So 4 into A square C square will become 4 A square C square. 2 into AC into BD. So 2 AC BD. And from outside 4 is there. 4 2s are how much? 8 AC BD. And this 4 will be multiplied with BD whole square. So it will become 4 into B square D square, isn't it? Because BD whole square means what? B square D square. So this 4 will be multiplied, so it will become 4 B square D square. After that, this 4 A square C square. See here, 4 A square C square is plus and 4 A square C square is minus. See very carefully. 4 A square C square plus and 4 A square C square minus. Both are cancelled. 4 B square D square plus and 4 B square D square minus cancel. So what will stay is minus 4. See here this one. Minus 4 A square D square plus 8. I wrote plus 8 ADBC because I saw here A square D square and B square C square. So I wrote ADBC. Is there any problem? In place of ACBD I can easily write ADBC, no? No problem, no? Because I saw here A square D square is there, here AD is there and BC is there. So I wrote ADBC. And minus 4 B square C square. Then what I did is with minus 1 I multiplied on both sides. With minus 1 if I multiply it on both sides of BC equation, then this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus, and 0 into minus 1 means what? 0 only. So after that, from this full term, from these 3 terms I am taking, this one first, second and third term I am taking 4 common. From here if I take 4 common I will get A square D square. From here if I take 4 common I will get 2 ADBC, and from here if I take 4 common I will get B square C square. Then both sides of the equation I am dividing by 4. Then I will get A square D square minus 2 ADBC plus B square C square. Then this one, in place of A square D square I will write AD whole square, isn't it? In place of A square D square I will write AD whole square, and in place of BC whole square I will write B square C square I will write BC whole square. So and in middle you see minus 2 into 2 ADBC is there, no? I can easily write 2 into AD into BC. Now see very carefully. This is A square minus 2AB plus B square, isn't it? See very carefully. This is AD whole square minus 2 into AD into BC plus B square C square I wrote BC whole square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square a square minus 2ab plus b square become a minus b whole square. So both sides I am doing square root. So square will go bc. So if square goes, then ad minus bc is equal to 0. Minus bc if I take to the right side it will become plus bc. So b, this b is there now. This b I'll cross multiply and bring this side, and this d I'll cross multiply and bring this side. B is multiplied now. Here if I bring it will get divided. D is multiplied here. If I bring it that side it will get divided. So a by b is equal to c by d is the answer, isn't it? See here. It's proved, no? Isn't it? It's proved, isn't it? So, understood? Okay.